In this demo, we will show you how to back up SAP MaxDB databases with VM and MaxBack. MaxBack extends the built-in backup and restore capabilities of MaxDB by adding support for Windows Volume Shadow copies, also called VSS. First, install MaxBack on the database host. The binaries can be downloaded from maxback.io and are available for all SAP-supported Windows x64 versions. If necessary, the setup will automatically download and install .NET Framework. Open an elevated command prompt or PowerShell. Add the MaxBack license. If you have no license, you can request a trial license valid for 30 days on maxback.io. Connect MaxBack to the database instance. To connect, enter the username and password of the DBA user. Activate VM configuration set. This will apply our recommended settings for VM integration. Finally, you have to enable guest processing in the VM backup job. That's all. Backups from VM are now recognized by MaxBack, which prepares the log files and database for backup. Thank you for watching. MaxBack has many more features. Check out maxback.io to learn more.